Yo, so you've got big dreams, right? You want to crush it at work, build that side hustle, get ripped, or finally write that novel. But here's the problem. You're lazy. Not like, I binge Netflix all day lazy. Okay, maybe sometimes. But the kind where you know what you should be doing, and you just don't. Then guilt creeps in. Then shame. Then you just accept it. Guess I'm a lazy person. New Year's hits. You're hyped. This is the year. Fast forward 2 weeks, and you're back to scrolling memes at 2 a.m. Sound familiar? Cool. Let's fix it, for real this time. Most stop procrastinating advice sucks. Just delete Instagram. Use a focus app. Bro, that's like putting a band-aid on a broken leg. The real issue? Inertia. Inertia equals Newton's first law. Things at rest stay at rest. Things in motion stay in motion. Your brain? Same rule. Starting a task feels like pushing a boulder uphill, but once it's rolling? Easy. The trick? Make the first step so stupidly small your brain doesn't panic. 1. The 50 words trick example. You gotta write a 5,000-word essay. Brain says, nope. So instead, tell yourself, I'll write 50 words. That's it. Why it works. 50 words equals no pressure. You start. Momentum kicks in. Next thing you know, you've written 500. 2. The 2-minute rule. Hate cleaning? Say, I'll clean for one song. When it ends, I stop. 90% of the time, you'll keep going. Why? Motion stays in motion. The hardest part is starting. Gym? I'll just drive there. If I want to leave, I can. Spoiler, you'll work out. Side hustle? I'll open my laptop, no pressure. Next thing you know, hustling. Relationships? I'll text one friend, one sentence. Boom, you're social again. Look, you don't need motivation. You don't need a perfect moment. Just start stupidly small. Like MLK said, you don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. So, what's your one tiny step today? Drop it in the comments and go do it, right now. Or after this video, no guilt. Hit like if this helped. Subscribe if you're tired of your own excuses. And remember, lazy isn't who you are. It's just inertia winning. Break it. Peace. 2 thumbs up.